Hello, Invincible Marketer Online Marketing Course. That's the title of this video. Now, my name is Bill Morrow and I have been marketing online for about 9 years, give or take. And in that time, I've wasted a lot of money, I've wasted time, effort, everything, looking for a system that will really work. But now I can tell you I have found exactly the system. The system that really worked for me is the Invincible Marketer. Now, that system has, over the past months when I've been using it, I learnt it, I went right through the course, completed the course, and now I am very happy to be able to offer that system to you. It is one that really works, and I got no doubts about it at all. First of all, the whole system is worked on video. All you've got to do is, it's laid out completely in a sequence all the way down. So you follow the sequence. You start the first one, naturally. Oh no, do you read the last page of the book first? Amazing how many people do. Let's see what happens. Don't do it. Follow the sequence. It makes it so much easier as you progress. So you start off, you view your video. The video then tells you to do something, to carry out a task. You do that task, complete it, then you move on to the next video. From there, you then complete that video, do the task assigned in there, and then on you go to the next. The speed you go is entirely up to you, how you do it. You can do so many videos a day, you can do one video a day, one a week, whatever. It depends how long you want to be before you get to your objective, which is to have an online business. And that's what the course is designed to do. It's designed to give you the background so that you can have an online business. Now, a business means simply that it's not something you just look at a screen and press a button. You have to do various things depending on what your business is, what it's all about. Is it about health, fitness? Is it about dieting? Is it about looking after animals? Is it about cats, dogs, whatever? Golfing, sailing, whatever your video is all about, whatever you're wanting to make your course about. That's what you do. You must have a knowledge of the subject so you can get started. All of these things are explained completely inside the course. So in the course, you follow the sequence to the end. You follow the sequence all the way through. And then when you're finished, you look back and, whoa, you have got an online business. And that's it. So now the system tells you how to advertise it, how to get the information out about the business. And then away you go. You can then later on build it up to a second business if you want, but let's go that far yet. You want to set up one business, so you decide what it's going to be and you set it up. Now, all you got to do to get further information about this, and I will give you a lot more information about this, what I've experienced going through, how I found it, and what you achieve. I will give you all that information. All you do is click on the link below in the description box, the first link you see, and that will bring you onto my email list. Then I will send you emails with the details all about the system itself and how I find it and how it works. So that's it. You are exactly where you want to be. You're looking for something, a business from home, working from home, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, all of those things are covered in this course. So click on the link below and I can get started, you can get started, and we can all